600 when you can only spend 160. Welcome back to Loom Keeps. Today we are going to take a look at the QK65 R2. Let's see how it looks like. So we just got this brand new box shipped from China via DHL. The shipping time is very fast, 3 to 5 business days, but we actually waited about 4 months to get this board. I hope it's worth it. Alright, let's open it. I'm so excited. Alright. Wow. Looks very fancy. Take them out. Right. We have a very nice cable. I love black. And everything. Now let's remove the box. First, we have this coiled cable. It's black. I love the color, and even some high-end board doesn't come with cable. So I'm very excited to see the rest of the accessories. So this is a screwdriver with 3 different sizes. It's very convenient. You don't need to get your own. Next, we have the stabilizer and the gasket. It's a transparent color. Alright, now let's open this. Wow, you guys see it first. Whoa, so many things inside. These are the QR codes. It's for Discord. So if you want to join Discord, or maybe you're already in their group, check it out. Here we have the PC plate and the hot swap PCB. And here we have the gasket socks. And the feet. And I actually don't know what this is. If you know, comment below, let me know. I would love to learn. Alright, now we have taken out everything from the top. Now let's look at the board. It's actually quite heavy to take it out. Alright. Here we go. Wine color, and then the back is chroma, so the color changes depending on the light. And right now it's pink and purple. It's so shiny. There are some detailed interesting design. First, on the side you see there are 2 different levels. This is the bevel. The front is a clean line with a single layer, and there is also a bevel on the inside, which is very cool. On the back, so once you put the feet on, the screws are invisible. Most keyboard, when you show the back, you can see the screws, but when you put the feet on, you cannot see the screws, and it's very clean. Look at this part. This is a nice smooth curve. This is definitely a very detailed organic design, and so far I really like it. Let's compare this with the Keychron Q1 because they are in the same price range. Okay, now let's take a look at the Keychron Q1. Apparently in the back you see the screws. They are visible, and the feet are standard feet. And look at the front. They have 2 levels. Unlike the QK65, it's one smooth line. So this you can sort of see there are 2 levels. Similarly, this part is 2 different levels. This one is more industrial design, so if you like industrial design, this will be a great option. I personally prefer the organic style. Now let's compare with the big brother, Mr.Suit. So first of all, you can see the screws. The screws are visible. It's black color, so it's hard to see. It has rounded edges, whereas the QK65 has a little bit sharper edges. And looking at the front, apparently there is a middle line here, and it looks like there are 2 separate levels, whereas the QK65 has only 1 level. Middle layer looks very cool and elegant. The Mr.Suit is a high-end board and it looks elegant, but QK65, given the price, it definitely worth it. We're gonna do a full build on this board, so follow us.